Spray paint vandalism on your car isn't the end of the world. You can actually fix it yourself in minutes. Let me show you the secrets that car detailers don't want you to know. The easiest method is using regular nail polish remover with acetone. Just pour some on a microfiber cloth and gently rub in circular motions. The spray paint will transfer right onto your cloth. Keep the area wet and switch cloths when needed. For tougher jobs, grab some detailing clay from any auto store. First wash your car, then knead the clay until it's warm and flat. Spray the area with clay lubricant and rub the clay back and forth like you're washing with soap. The clay pulls the paint right off without damaging your car's finish. My favorite pro method is using carnauba wax. The natural oils break down the spray paint while leaving your car's clear coat perfectly intact. Apply generous amounts with a soft sponge using firm circular motions. The paint will lift off as you buff. Whatever method you choose, work on it as soon as possible. The longer spray paint bakes in the sun, the harder it is to remove. And always test on a small hidden spot first. The best part? These methods cost way less than a professional detail job and give you the same results. No more stressing about random acts of vandalism. You've got this covered.